This is a little riff on the digital business framework as articulated by SAP. I personally work in the IoT and supply chain side of the house, and I'll be publishing subsequent videos. But at the crux of our offerings is this notion of a business that's working in a digital economy and in need of solutions that allow it to articulate its business more in a digital framework rather than the physical realm that potentially the physical aspect of the business operates in. Now, IoT, if you were to boil it down to its crux, is all about articulating a digital reality of a physical business. Think a machine and its digital twin. Think a network, like, say, a trucking operation, and its digital twin. The ability to articulate a physical world as a stream of bits and bytes, to be able to then manipulate it, leveraging advanced information management platforms like a HANA platform or the SAP Cloud platform, and seamlessly melding that physical reality into the realm of business processes and business software, which anyways was operating in a bits and bytes realm. So that at its core is how SAP wants to help this future digital business, leveraging the digital core, operating in a digital economy, leveraging forces like the Internet of Things. Among other building blocks of the digital core, at its core, you have this notion of business transactions end to end, crossing boundaries across your physical realm to the most electronic aspect of your business transactions, be it in the domain of ERP, be it in the domain of CRM, be it in the domain of spend management, be it in the domain of workforce management. The notion of being able to tap into these data streams and get to smart insights. All of that data that your business is collecting to be analyzed in real time for the business to have perfect insight in the moment and then manipulate business transactions in a way that they are able to serve to the needs that are highlighted in those insights. Some of the other pieces of technology that help in the mix, machine learning, to add to what you're getting as smart insight. APIs to be able to talk to third-party systems or pull data from third-party systems, or the ability to out some of your goodness to third-party systems. All of this in a secure environment, in a secure manner, given that security is top of the mind for businesses. The ability to provide end-to-end secure business processes, something that blockchain would also help as one of the paradigms around blockchain, being that it allows for a very high level of security, among other distributed computing aspects that blockchain can help support. All of these things articulated per industry so that it's absolutely relevant to the business in various sectors of the economy, be it in manufacturing or the service industries. Under manufacturing, it could be a discrete manufacturer, a process manufacturer, and then as you go down the hierarchy of those industries, they need to know how this digital core fits in the middle of their business to allow them to run a very smooth end-to-end business operation across their physical reality and the information systems that govern that reality. That at its core is the notion around the digital business framework and how it supports enterprises in a digital economy. You can see in this image, it's beautifully captured, very simply articulated, that you have the realm of business processes, you have the realm of business intelligence, you have the very discrete realm of information sources, data sources, across fixed assets, moving assets, even animals you can see, people, objects, homes, healthcare being another very big source of data. And on the other side is everything that makes up your business along the realm of business partners, and essentially the mixing and merging of the data with your business process, leveraging the framework to be able to help you make the most of this emergent digital economy. That's what SAP hopes to get across, as its core crux message in terms of how we are going about helping customers architect an enterprise architecture for the digital economy in which they work.